Condition Pacers are lined up for tonight's 9th race. Superfecta, full field of 10, the Ron Gates. And they're off. Barbie's Apache Cam flashes speed from the center with Indy Shooter. Those two left alongside. Stone Appeal also leaving for good early position. And Trev Adams Attack fires up from the far outside as they race into that opening turn. Indy Shooter and Stiltner have a shot for the lead, and they've made it. Barbie's Apache Cam back in second as Trev Adams Attack continues up on the outside, parked and pressing. Stone Appeal away racing in fourth, 4 lengths in front of Through My Eyes, who's back in fifth. Phase Blitz and Gray is sixth, past the opening marker, 28 seconds. No Satin Intended, the 3 to 5 favorite, races from seventh. Cam Sabra back in eighth. In front of JJ Magabucks, the trailer up the backstretch is Bluebird Tizzy as they race towards the half. And Trev Adams Attack was up to stretch out and take control there for Gillenwater. It has a 4-length lead towards the half as Indy Shooter races in the loose pocket spot second. Barbie's Apache Cam third. Strung Out Crew past the half. 55 seconds, 27 seconds in that second quarter. And Gillenwater is driving Trev Adams Attack like he stole them as they race around that far turn. Indy Shooter still back in second. Barbie's Apache Cam remains in third. Stone Appeal is going to have to get moving from fourth. Phase Blitz and Gray is uncovered on the outside fifth. No Satin Intended now has to move 3 wide from sixth as Through My Eyes continues to save ground. They race past 3 quarters, 1:24.1. Trev Adams Attack turns for home with the lead, but now Barbie's Apache Cam is on the attack on the outside for Loney. Stone Appeal moves up into the center of the track in third. Through My Eyes is a fourth, and Cam Sabra moves up on the far outside, but as they hit mid-stretch, it's still Trev Adams Attack. Barbie's Apache Cam out between horses. Stone Appeal is firing late with Through My Eyes. Trev Adams Attack still there. Stone Appeal is charging. Stone Appeal is up to win it. At the finish, it was tight for second, either Through My Eyes or